Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use ElevenLabs dubbing. So dubbing is quite a new feature of ElevenLabs and it is very great. So for example, if you have an English video and you want to translate that English video to, for example, Spanish, you can do it very easily. So for example, like I said, you have an English video, then you need to select the source language as English. So make sure this is English, or what language you have. For example, if you have a video in Dutch, you select Dutch, of course. And here in the target language, you need to select the language you want to, where you want the video to be translated to. For example, if it's Spanish, you of course need to select Spanish, just like this. And basically what you need to do is you just need to drop or just select a video or a file into this box right here. And like here it says up to 20 MBs. So if the video is too big, you can just use a converter or a compressor, video compressor, to make the video smaller. What you also can do is you can select a video from YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Vimeo, or use another URL to dub, to translate. And what is the cool thing is ElevenLabs offers a lot of languages like English, Croatian, Hindi, French, Korean, and a lot of other languages, as you can see. And it's very nice. Basically, any big language in the world, or of course some languages that ElevenLabs doesn't offer just yet, but the biggest languages are here. So it has multiple use cases just for videos or audiobooks, or a lot of other options. And the best thing is you don't even have to sign up. It's free for a limited videos. So after you've used it a lot, you need to sign up and maybe even pay, but it's all worth it because it's very good. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.